bar, okay? Like,
Okay, let me know when. Can I come up?
Take that. Can you come up? Are you here? Okay, you probably need to come on. I think. Not yet. Okay, you just go. Yes. Follow them. Okay, follow them. Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready, Future. Are you ready?
Yeah, can I come up?
Yes, you can come up. Yes, we're ready.
I'm coming up.
It's gonna be next to the red bar, the corner red bar when you go to the right.
I'm flipped at the bottom because this fucking dickhead. Are you trying to fucking... You gotta come to the bottom and flip me.
Come to the bottom? You're flipped at the bottom?
Yeah.
Guys, you got a room for
Take some hands.
You're a fucking asshole. I hope you fucking know that.
I'm trying to get down, bro.
Come to the bottom. I need flipping.
I'm trying, bro. We're all the way.
I'm gonna be under the ramp when you go down.